So here we are going to make a program to calculate sum of array elements using function. Okay. So over here, first of all, let us create a function with the name int calculate and sum. Okay. And we are saying that it will come with some integer type of array. Okay. This over here the parameter is a integer array. Now what we will do, over here I will create a variable int s is for the sum. Since the array is coming, so we are saying that the sum will be inside s. I need one more variable in order to work with the array. So s is for the sum, and let us say one more thing, that is the I. Okay. Now as we know our for loop, for I is equal to 0, let us see I is less than, suppose I am saying my array has 5 elements. So less than 5 and I plus plus. Okay. Yeah. And over here we will do our simply logic, sum is equal to, sorry, it's s na. So s is equal to s plus a of I, right? So every time the new value will go. Now let us go and create our main function. So int main, we return 0, and over here since the return type I give is int, so I will return s. Fine. So let us see over here, create a array int arr is equal to, give it some values directly, arr of 5 is equal to something 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 something, and now what we will do, take one more variable, say int sum. Now we will do sum is equal to calculate sum and pass the array, which is the array arr. Now let us print the value of sum. Got it. Printf sum of all the elements is %d and the value of what? Sum. Let us check. So simply over here we are creating a function to calculate the sum in which I passed array as a parameter. So it should calculate the sum of all the elements of a array. Yeah, I understood. Okay. So let us run this. And over here, let us open a floating report window if there is any error. Uh, 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 uh. Undefined reference to calculate sum, maybe some spelling mistake is there. So copy and paste. Now if I run it, so sum of all the elements it is saying is 164, right? Even if you wanted to make this program one level up, I can say array like this, and now I will ask the user to enter the elements of array. So print f enter elements of array. Okay, and let us take one more variable in order to work with the array. Now I will say let like for I is equal to 0, I is less than or equal to 4 and I plus plus. Over here we will do what? Scan f and take the input inside what at the address of ARR of I. So over here we are taking the input from the user. Now let us run this. So first of all, it will ask for the elements. So say 12, 3, 5, 4, 6. And it is saying that sum of all the elements is 30. Okay. Yeah, understood. Yeah. Similarly, you can make the programs to find the highest element, smallest element, multiplication of all the elements, or print array in reverse order. So all the things you can do by using the function itself. Okay.